Hey everybody, Blake with State Line. Now I wanted to make a video real quick, so I've come across this very frequently, is improper installation of your garage door opener. And you can see this beam above me. I've come across this several times, especially in the last few weeks at customers' houses, where their garage door opener is hung from this beam right here that spans the width of the garage. Now this is not the correct way to do it, and I want to show you why. This is not the way. Now, this metal beam is supported by the 2x4s all the way across, but the 2x that is attached to the bottom of this beam is not. It is toe-nailed on one side, barely even catching, and then it is glued the rest of the way. This garage is probably 25, 30 foot wide, and the only two ends that are holding The only two things that are holding up is on the ends here, these toe-nailed. And the rest of this is glued. Now, that 2x is about 1.5 inches thick. And if you use a 2-inch lag, that will also push the lag into the metal and push the 2x away from the beam even more, which makes this more dangerous. The only thing holding this up is glue. So once that opener starts working to pull the door up, it will actually start loosening that board, and eventually it will come down. Hopefully not on any of your property, but that's why I wanted to make this video, to educate you guys a little bit and have you guys go check it out. Make sure your garage door openers are installed correctly, so that way everything is safe. If not, you can give us a call and we will come out and check it for you. Make sure that your garage is safe.